to draw! Hello everyone, it's Ellie. Today I am drawing a leaf. Let's draw and color it together. First, we will draw the eyes. Now I am drawing its other parts. I love making drawings. Now I am drawing its mouth. Sketch of the leaf is now completed. Now we will color the leaf. First, we will color its eyes black. Now I am coloring its other parts green. I really like coloring. I really like coloring. I really like coloring. Now I am coloring its mouth black. Let's color the tongue red. Wow, it looks so amazing! See you on the next video!